Another exclusive news break on our big story. It is after Times Now 7-month-long investigation that the kingpin is finally being dragged back to India. But even before he sets foot in the country, investigating agencies have begun trading charges on the delay in his deportation. Times Now has accessed documents that are part of the Enforcement Directorate's complaint in the Supreme Court against another person involved in the scam, the main accused, Jharkhand Chief Minister Madhu Koda. Let's try and get across to Rhythm. But before that, Aishwarya also joining us from Ranchi on this story. We do know, Aishwarya, that as soon as Anil Bastawade lands in India, he will be taken to Ranchi to face the court. He does have details with him which could connect several top bureaucrats and politicians perhaps to this 4,000 crore mining scam. Aishwarya?
Well, that's absolutely correct, because the main kingpin in this multi-thousand crore mining scam, Anil Bastawade, when he is being successfully deported back to India, it is being termed as a huge success, not only for ED, but the complete investigating agencies in that. Though that's a different question, that it took Times Now's investigating team to find out really where Anil Bastawade was hiding in the interiors of the Indonesian capital. But then now, when successfully ED has been able to deport back, and now he'll be landing back in Delhi, and then he'll be brought back to Ranchi. That is where we are, outside the civil court of Ranchi, because the red corner notice rather was issued to for Anil Bastawade from this Ranchi civil court. But the matter of fact is that the manner in which Madhu Koda, the former Jharkhand Chief Minister who is behind bars in this multi-crore mining scam, the ED as well as the other investigating agencies have been making it clear that they have met a dead end. But now, when they will have the man who has been responsible to siphon thousands of crore illegally outside the country through the Hawala way, and they will get a chance to confront Anil Bastawade with Madhu Koda and all those very important kingpins who are already behind bars. That is when they feel that they will get something substantial to pin all of these leaders. And what ED also expects, that rather it is not only Madhu Koda but numerous other leaders from different party lines from this region and also neighbouring states who are involved in this. And then Anil Bastawade has not only siphoned Madhu Koda's money but money of other leaders as well, through illegal channels outside India into many countries. So Anil Bastawade's deportation is a blessing in disguise for ED, but then they still needs to answer that why was this delay, why wasn't the Enforcement Directorate or for that matter, or the all of those other investigators
that you're raising. In fact, Rhythm Bharadwaj, who's joining me from the capital now, has the Enforcement Directorate affidavit which clearly questions the delay in bringing the mining scam kingpin back, Rhythm.
That's right, Rupali. Very clearly in those crucial affidavits that Times Now has accessed, it has been stated by ED that they're number one showing there's a direct link between Madhu Koda and kingpin Arun Bastawade. They're also saying Arun Bastawade himself, along with other accused, had gone ahead and had invested in a manufacturing company in Dubai for Madhu Koda. These documents become extremely crucial, Rupali, because they are pointing to the fact that Madhu Koda did have Hawala transactions that were carried out by him, by Arun Bastawade. In fact, these documents are also clearly showing us that at one point of time, the ED is also questioning why embassy officials did not go ahead and take some sort of action in the case. The reason for this being embassy officials could have exerted some influence and got ahead and, got Madhu Koda back, Anil Bastawade back from Jakarta. That didn't happen. Several questions were also raised against them. But crucially, Rupali, in the Supreme Court today, ED very clearly mentioning, yes, there is a direct link between Madhu Koda and Anil Bastawade. Yes, that's the reason we want to keep and continue having Madhu Koda's custody. Yes, there is evidence that Anil Bastawade will have, which we need to confront Madhu Koda with. In fact, the documents that Times Now has access today show that certain investments were made by Madhu Koda. These investments were made on his behalf by kingpin Anil Bastawade. All this extremely crucial, and that's the reason the Supreme Court has also given a month's more of custody to the Enforcement Directorate. Sources in the Enforcement Directorate are also telling us they will be questioning which other politicians, which other leaders was Anil Bastwade working for, because we're also getting our sources in the ED to tell us he has said he's not only got the money back for Madhu Koda, but there are several other politicians who are involved here. Who they are is the crucial question, and the answer, the missing link, can only be provided right now by Anil Bastwade.
How soon do you think that all these cases would be cracked and responsibilities would be fixed by the CBI?
As you know that in course of investigation, we have come to the conclusion that though there are persons who are involved in all of the cases, this kingpin like Binod Sinha and party, and this the persons like Bastwade and this Manoj Punamia, for whom there is an allegation of money laundering and all. These are the persons and some other also are the persons who are involved in all the scams in relation to the Madhu Koda scam.